Welcome to a new tutorial in how to create a quote and also converting it to an order. In order to create a new quote, on your client portal, go to Marketplace. On the Marketplace menu, look for Products. On the Products window, you will see your on-catalog products and some other information. You can search for your products by name, publisher, product family, and product category. If you found the name of your product, click Search. Then, select your product. On the next screen, you'll see the product detail information. You can also select the Buy Info location, view the price, and click to add your product to the cart. Click on the new pop-up window to go to your shopping cart. Otherwise, you can also access to your shopping cart by clicking on Marketplace and select Cart. Then, a new window will show the product information again, so you can verify the Buy Info location and some other details. If the information looks correct, create quote. On the next step, you will see the shopping cart information, like the sell to address, invoice address, delivery address, license address. Some other information can be added, like your reference, special instructions if any, and more. Once you have verified information, you can go ahead and create a quote. Now, a new quote has been created in our system. You can verify the quote number and the quote details. You can also verify the date and the shipping information again. Also, review your product information before you click Convert to Order. Then click Convert to Order. On this window, you will view the order detail information, like the shipping address, order number, and document date. You can also add some internal comments and a reference and fill out the mandatory fields for PO number and PO number 2 before you click Convert to Order. Once you have filled out the information, you can go ahead and click Convert to Order. Once you click on Convert to Order, a new order will be created. Here's the order detail. You can also find the order number, your references, and the document date. You can download a PDF with the same information that you're viewing on the screen and verify the product information by clicking on View for your product. And that's it. Whatever your needs, Marketplace helps you streamline your interactions. Thank you for watching.